friends, it's Lisa back with a new layout for Pink Paisley. Yeah, as you can see, I don't have the beginning of the video. I don't know if I deleted it or if I didn't film it. I did this layout quite a while ago and I don't remember where this missing part is. So what I did was just I drew my little pig and then I cut it out from different pattern papers from the Truly Grateful collection, and then I traced around with a white pen just for some details, and now I'm adhering everything on a white cardstock because I want to stitch around the face. So yeah, I'm just adhering everything. Why this little piggy? I don't know if in the United States it's the same, but here in Europe, I don't know if it's in every country, but the countries around Luxembourg, the little pig is a symbol of good luck. So he represents, for the new year, he represents good luck, and there are a lot of little things that you can buy or send with piggies on it. So yeah, and I wanted to create a very cute pig too for this new year layout. I know it's already February, but I was so busy making Christmas layouts in December, and then when January was there and I had to prepare my layouts for February, it was just a new year, and I was making New Year layouts, but since we create a month ahead of time, so yeah, it's just coming out now. But I did this I did this when New Year's was just. Oh, sorry. I'm having trouble speaking here. I did this in the beginning of January. Okay, so let's say it like that. Okay, so the background is a cut file by Paige Evans, which is called Sparkles Background, and it's a lot of polka dots and stars, and I love that the minute I saw it. And it's backed with a paper number 2 from the Truly Grateful collection, and that paper has a lot of little squares, and I love that behind this cut file. It looks so cute. And then I stitched around with a zigzag stitch all around to give it some more detail. I also stitched the little piggy, if you saw, and I think it looks so cute. I don't really stitch on every layout anymore because sometimes I really don't have the time, but I try to do it on some of the layouts where I think it will look very good. And now I'm creating a bow for the pig, and I want him to look like he's going to a ball or some big event for New Year's. And I just hand cut some bows, and now I'm creating like this little banner thing, or I don't really know what you call those things that hang off the bows, like the like when you make a knot or a bow, then you have the rest of the fabric hanging off. So I don't really know, but that's what I'm doing here. I'm cutting out from all the super nice colors from the Truly Grateful collection, and I love those colors together. The green really pops out in front of that dark purple, and then with the pink, it's so good. My cat is making noise in front of the door because she wants to get out, but she just got in, and now I she just needs to wait. Okay, so if you hear her, it's my cat wanting to get out of the scrap room. So yeah, and then some more little tassels and stuff that look good. I wanted to really pimp up that bow to make it really big and nice looking and very like unique, and I think it turned out very cute. And then the picture that I will use is a picture I took a few days before New Year's Eve. I had a pre-New Year's Eve dinner at my place with my girlfriends, and we dressed up very, very nice. And then we took, for 1.5 hours, I think, we took pictures and made little cute poses. And it was nice. Sometimes we really love to do that. So yeah, I used a little bit of this what's the name? Not fabric, it's tulle. So I have this gold tulle, and I use it a lot last month because I don't know, it was just, I think it looks so pretty, and because it's gold, and it really gives something special to the layout. Kitty, you need to wait some little bit more. Yeah, and then I thought, okay, now he's having a very cute bow, and I want him to have a hat too. So like I said, dressed up very nicely to go to a New Year's party. Oh yeah, let's just wait 1 second time. Yes. Okay, I'm back. I hope now she will not meow in front of the door. Do you say meow in English? Meowing? I don't know. Well, I hope you know what I mean. Okay, picture. That's the picture I will use. And then, yeah, I fussy cut out a lot of flowers of the... I think it's also paper too. So it has the cute squares on the one side, and then all the flowers on the other side, if I'm not mistaken. And I fussy cut out a lot of those flowers, of course. Who didn't do that with that paper? I don't think anyone had that paper without fussy cutting the flowers, because the flowers are just amazing in this collection, and I could use them forever. It was like, for me, it's like the Oh My Heart collection, where the flowers were just like so perfect, and I could use those flowers forever and ever. Yeah, so my picture, I matted it with 4 little scraps of paper, and now I'm using foam behind my little cutie to make him pop up a little bit. And yeah, so yeah, I hope yeah, it's already February, but still, I hope you had a very good start in the new year, and that you had a cool evening for New Year's Eve, and that everything is going like you wanted to in January. And yeah. Okay, so I was just deciding if I should put my picture a little bit crooked or straight, and I'm going for straight here, because with the pig already being stuck on the, I don't know, on the layout a little bit crooked, I wanted my picture to be straight. Okay, so I had those, I don't know if you saw, I had those words that I cut out previously for another layout, that was not really happening. And I kept little words. Maybe I want to use them on another layout. But then I was like, no, those are not happening on this layout either. So I used the stickers from the collection, and then I wanted a different font, of course, and I'm just writing the word year on a white sheet of paper, and I will back it with some green paper to make it stand out, of course. And yes, this green paper is also, I love the color, and both of the green colors together is also, the colors in this collection are, they just pop, you know. I just love it when they are. I love pastel colors, but I'm never really satisfied with pastel layout where it's only very light colors. I really need that explosion of bright colors with, yeah, this pink and this green and yellow. I think it looks so cute. Okay, this was not on the right spot, so I took it off and just placed it a little bit higher. And now I'm just cutting out some more of the flowers from the paper. And yeah, as you can see, that's really the back side of this square paper that I used as a background. And that's not a good idea, Pink Paisley, to put such beautiful papers on one sheet. Such beautiful patterns, I mean, on one sheet of paper. Because you obviously need 10 of those pattern papers. And I still have, like, I think 15 of those sheets because I had a workshop at my place, and then I ordered a lot of paper, and I still have, so I will have enough for the rest of my life, I think. That's very good. Going through my puffy stickers and just choosing some of the flowers, and I wanted to use that bird, but I wasn't really going and matching, but I used some of the flowers. And I think this sheet, yeah, this leaf. And yeah, oh, already at the end. Thank you so much for joining me. See you very soon. Bye bye.